In this Mastering the Laser video, I experiment with fiber laser engraving on a powder-coated surface.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
So I start with the text, and I'm just going to leave it as text. Why not? The size, let's make that 46.5 millimeter. For the parameter settings, I'll leave it as is, except for the loop count. That I'm going to make 10. I'll leave the hatch settings as is. Just make sure that hatch 1, 2 and 3 is not enabled, because I just want the text outline here. That done, I press F1 for my preview area. Line it up. And F2 to start the engraving. Nice and pronounced. Now let's leave everything as is but go into the hatch settings, because we want to make a nice solid font right next to it. Check follow edge once and change the line space to 0.01 millimeter. But that's going to be like pretty thick, so I think I'll take the loop count back to 4. Let's see how that goes. Preview, realign, engrave. Look at that, that looks great. That really does. Okay, so there's a bit of a scratch there on the X, but that was on the surface. So I'm not going to worry about that for this test. Give it a good old clean. And there it is, outline and full text engraving on a powder-coated surface.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.